Hello Odoers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. I am Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today I will show you how to Invisible Attrs work in the Odoo. I will explain it by syntax and example. So don't waste the time and let's start now. Here you can see the Attrs document. So this is the Invisible Attrs syntax. Invisible is equal to field name, then operator, and then value. Invisible Attrs used when you want to hide some field or button based on the condition. So let's understand by the example. Here you can see I set Invisible Attrs on order date field. Whenever the state is confirmed, then this field become invisible. Now restart the terminal and let's move to the browser. Here you can see the record is in draft state, so the order date field is visible. Now I click on the confirm button and record moves to the confirmed state, so the order date field is invisible. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.